biAnalytics. More time for the essential. biAnalytics is a business intelligence and analysis software that allows you to conveniently bundle and visualize all your data from various data sources in one central location. biAnalytics can be integrated on the web, as an app, or in Microsoft Office. Tailored to your needs, biAnalytics is available as a flexible cloud solution or as an on-premise installation for maximum data security. This is what biAnalytics offers you. Management reports are automatically available with just a few clicks. The user guidance is uncomplicated and requires no programming knowledge. Lean structures. There is a direct connection to the respective data source, so tedious data juggling is a thing of the past. Updating and displaying is done at the push of a button by using real-time visualization. Reports, charts and dashboards can be completely and visually customized to your needs. This is how biAnalytics works. With biAnalytics, you can connect as many data sources as you like with just a few clicks. For example, Google Analytics and MySQL, or you simply choose from one of the over 50 pre-installed standard connectors the data sources that are currently required for your report. Your individual data source can also be connected on demand. Real-time. Your data is loaded in real time from all connected data sources, but the data itself remains in the source system. Adjustments on the fly, not a problem. Change the view of your data easily and in a matter of seconds. biAnalytics environment. No matter with which data source you're working, the working process always remains the same, benefiting from the consistent biAnalytics user interface. Turning two into one. With biAnalytics, it is no problem to combine reports from different data sources into a new report easily and quickly. Frontends. biAnalytics is a true integration miracle. Because of our Office, web and app integration capabilities, you can use biAnalytics wherever you need it. biAnalytics Office, the add-on for all Microsoft Office applications. Work in a familiar application. Benefit from the easy creation of management reports, presentations or calculations. Save and open your reports as usual as PPTX, DocX or XLSX. You do not need any extension to open the reports. Reports can be opened without biAnalytics access without any problems. Refresh button. Get the current reports in just seconds. biAnalytics Web. No matter where, always up to date and on point. biAnalytics Web offers you dashboards optimized for mobile devices. Mobile access to all your data and dashboards. The biAnalytics app gives you fast and clear access to your dashboards and reports. Edit your data in no time, wherever you are. Start now. Get a free 30-day trial and experience your data from a brand new perspective. biAnalytics. More time for the essential.